Proprietary HydroKnit technology is fast absorbing to wick away moisture. Durable wipes absorb more water and oil than textile shop rags and stay strong for superior performance. Disposable cloths clean oil, dirt, grime and solvents, while remaining resistant to harsh cleaning agents. These wipes are fresh and clean every time and are a safer alternative to laundered rental shop towels or cloth rags, which can harbor dangerous chemicals like lead, even after washing, according to a 2013 gradient study. WypAll is the #1 brand of disposable wipes in the US and Canada. Maximize performance while minimizing time, effort and product waste. WypAll Power Clean X80 heavy-duty cloths feature innovations like high-tech HydroKnit fast-absorbing material and are durable for scrubbing. These contaminant-free commercial cloths are a favorite replacement for industrial cloth towels, which can harbor dangerous chemicals, such as lead. In a 2003 gradient study, 100% of the sampled laundered shop towels tested, lead was detected at levels that may exceed health-based exposure guidelines. WypAll Power Clean X80 heavy-duty cloths are made of soft pulp fibers, bonded to a polypropylene-based sheet for absorbency and durability, making them suitable for removing dirt, oil, grime and solvents in industrial and manufacturing businesses. The reusable cloths are reinforced for strength when wet and dry. These bulk cloths are a great alternative, safer and more efficient, to replace laundered rental shop towels or cleaning towels. Use them for heavy-duty machine and part wiping, wiping metal shavings, prepping surfaces with solvents and cleaning rough surfaces. After all, every business gets dirty. But for the toughest grease and grime, you can trust WypAll Power Clean X80 heavy-duty cloths. Top reviews from the United States. Top-tier paper towel. Nice disposable shop rags. We love these towels. About 50 times tougher than paper towels. Can usually use more than once. We bought 2 dispensers and now use these in place of the red rags we used to get from our uniform service. Work better, easy to just pull rags off wall-mounted roll and much more cost-effective.